Here are some ways to make meditation less of a chore and more like a fun. 1. Try the 100 breaths technique. This is a highly complex meditation technique. I take 100 breaths, I count them, I try not to think about anything else. Yup, it's revolutionary, and it also really works for me. It gives my brain something to do, while the rest of me is just hanging out, inadvertently meditating. 2. Take a meditation nap. Lie down on a bed, couch, or sun lounge. Close your eyes and do nothing. Maybe you'll fall asleep. Maybe you'll have Zen inspiration. Maybe you'll just happily float along. Either way, it will be sublime. 3. Use the alarm clock meditation. If 100 breaths isn't going to cut it for you, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then meditate until the timer goes off. This way, you don't have to wonder about how long it's been, or how much longer you should meditate for. It's like meditation on cruise drive. 4. Get comfortable. I started looking at things that annoyed me about meditation, the stuff that held me back from doing it. And one of the annoying things was this: I don't like being uncomfortable. Sitting cross-legged in lotus, with a straight back, and poised mudra fingers, doesn't spell comfortable to me. It spells pins and needles, sore butt, and achy back. You can get comfortable by sitting in a comfy armchair inside, lying on a sun lounge, on the back deck, or leaning against a wall outside. What comfy looks like to you might be totally different. 5. Use help when you need it. When I need extra help in meditating, I use CDs or audio music. They're like my own little personal guides into sweet calm space. Try out different music, guides, and meditation techniques, and see what works for you. And what works for you, make that the golden wisdom in your life. And most of all, remember that the reason you aren't meditating right now is not because you are lazy. It's because you haven't yet found a way to meditate for you that is fun, easy, and comfortable for you. Find the way that does, and then it's much easier. Remove the annoying parts from meditating. Try out all the different ways you can to make it as lovely an experience as possible. And remember, you are the expert on you. Find the wonderful things that work for you, and ignore the rest. There are 6 billion paths to bliss, and your path is your own. Make it a happy one.